crime rates increasing constantly. It makes us wonder what will happen to the world. Our today's story is about the youngest serial killer of the world. He shocked the world by his confessions about killing of 3 babies. The youngest serial killer of the world is Amardeep Sada, also known as Amarjeet Sada, only 8 years old. According to the details about him, he was born in 1998 in Begusaray, Bihar, India, and his family was residing in the village of Musahri. The boy's father was a laborer. Becoming the youngest serial killer in the world was incredible enough on its own. However, Sada's actions in connection with the discovery of his murders certainly exacerbated the situation. The details about the killings remained as a mystery due to his age. But despite this, some very interesting facts are available, along with some photographs of the young killer, his family, and even one crime scene image. Sada started killing of babies, who were hardly few months, when he was only 7 years old. During a period of 1 year, he killed at least 3 babies. All of his victims were babies from the surroundings villages, with the oldest being his own sister 8-month-old. It's unknown why he targeted babies, but it seems that it was just because of their small size and easy to kill them without any resistance. It was easy for the Amardeep Sada's parents to stop him from killing when Amardeep Sada committed his crime, by killing his own sister and cousin. It's hard to understand why his family covered up the first 2 deaths. Unfortunately, that's exactly what happened because the Sadas believed the killings were a family matter. As a result of this family protection, Amardeep Sada took the life of a 3rd baby without any fear. Amardeep Sada's family have tried to cover up his criminal activities, but this clearly didn't convince the young serial killer that he had done anything wrong. His 3rd victim was a 6-month-old neighbor's baby girl, whom he picked up from his school and took to a field, before he killed her by smashing her head with a brick and dumped her body in the bushes. When the local villagers began asking questions, he was more than happy to confess to the murders. He even led villagers to the scene of his last crime and helped them recover the body of the killed baby. Sada provided small details about his 3rd killing. Amardeep Sada said that she was sleeping in the school. I took her a little away, and killed her with a stone and buried her. Amardeep Sada was picked up by the local police, as his neighbors suspected Amardeep Sada's involvement in their daughter missing. When the police interrogated him, he admitted his crime. The local authorities believed his words to be true, as they discovered the body of 6-month-old Khushbu in a shallow grave that Amardeep Sada had shown to them. Information regarding his conviction, sentencing, and any subsequent imprisonment was not publicly released. According to the Indian law, this young serial killer could not be convicted, as he was way too young to be punished. And as a result, it is believed that he served only 3 years of imprisonment, under a psychiatric treatment facility. There are no concrete details of his punishment. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more thrilling stories. Thank you for watching this video.